first and most important thing to do is to take notes. Take notes not just on the content of the presentations you attend, but also on the presenter. Did you like the presenter? If not, make a note because there may be future conferences or sessions that you may have to attend, and you need to know whether you had enjoyed the presenter's session or not. So remember to take a note and remember to take these notes back with you to your hotel room at the end of the day and preferably type these out along with any related ideas you may have or any opinion about people that you may want to share this with. Do not forget to check with the organizer if they intend to record any sessions. Also, check with them if you can record on your phone. If they don't have any problems with that, you can always hit the record button on your phone and record a session that you think would be particularly interesting. Don't forget to ask questions when you are at the conference. Questions can help you gain a lot of visibility. Remember always to introduce yourself before asking a question, and preferably always ask open-ended questions. That is, don't ask questions that only require a yes or a no for an answer. This will give the speaker an opportunity to elaborate on the response. Also, there may be others who may have had the same question as you did. They may come up to you after the session and may actually start a conversation with you about that. Similarly, if you had the same question that somebody else asked, you can always go up and talk to the person. This will also help you network better with others. Listen actively for each talk. Always remember to prepare some questions. You may or may not decide to actually ask those questions, but always have your questions ready because you never know that at the next event or dinner, you may have the speaker of that session sitting right next to you, and you could then use that question as a conversation starter. Here, though, I'd like to warn you, please avoid asking long-winded and complicated questions just for the sake of asking questions. You can, of course, ask a question if you genuinely have one and if you genuinely want to learn about that. But don't ask questions just for the sake of asking and just for the sake of making an impression with the question itself.